Hello and welcome to a video where I am going to be showing you how to do Dan Gun, the first yellow belt form of Tae-Kwon-Do. Turn 90 degrees to the left, knife hand block, step forward, and punch. Turn 180 degrees clockwise, knife hand block, step forward and punch. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise and low block, step forward, punch, step forward, punch, step forward, punch, and key up. Turn 270 degrees counterclockwise, twin forearm block, step forward, punch. Turn 180 degrees clockwise and turn forearm block, step forward, punch. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise and low block. Do not step or pause and rising block with the same arm. Step forward, rising block. Step forward, rising block. Step forward, rising block. Turn 270 degrees clockwise and middle knife hand strike, step forward, punch. Turn 180 degrees clockwise, middle knife hand strike, step forward, punch, and key up. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed or were helped, it would be much appreciated to show your support by liking or subscribing. But I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.